Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to AFK on mobile in Roblox without getting kicked. Let's go to Settings. Now go to Accessibility and scroll to the bottom. Select Accessibility Shortcuts and choose Switch Control. Exit, scroll up, select Switch Control, tap Switches, Full Screen, then Tab. Go back twice. Enter Recipes, tap Create New. Let's name it. Tap Assign a Switch, Full Screen, then Custom Gesture. Flip your phone, choose where to tap. This is where our clicker will be. Tap Save. Go back, tap Launch Recipe and select Roblox. There. Now open any Roblox game you want, like a clicker game. For example, a clicker. Right? Let's join. Triple click the power button to activate our clicker that won't let us get kicked. That's it. This was your host. Bye everyone.